Hi guys, welcome back to the MBA podcast. I have an interesting candidate with me. Her name is Ipshita. So unique चीज पता है क्या है? So when I spoke to her, she said कि she is doing MBA in marketing. She got placed with Philips, which is a big brand, and she's doing an internship there. But उसका internship का जो profile है वो काफी unique है. So she'll be helping HR domain Philips का और HR domain की marketing होने वाली है. You getting my point? So I would really want to have more detailed understanding on this because ये profile अभी तक मैंने कहीं देखा नहीं है.
Yeah.
So what is it, and explain us in a detailed manner.
So yeah, it is a very niche profile,
Right.
and I work with the employer branding and talent marketing team.
Okay.
So what we do is we have a certain employer value proposition
Right.
so there's a certain messaging that goes that this is the work culture,
Right.
this is what we do.
Right.
So I promote Philips. I help in promoting Philips as a good work culture, as a good workspace. So instead of selling the product, I sell the workspace.
हाँ ये काफी cool है. Instead of selling the product, I sell the workplace.
Yeah.
ये tagline होना चाहिए. Now I'll explain you this. How does it work? So she is a marketing student at ISBR. Got absorbed by Philips. And Philips का एक work culture है जो work culture वो develop कर रहे हैं. जैसे Google का एक work culture है. Google is known for its work culture, right?
Yeah.
So she is the brains behind promoting Philips ka work culture. And that's a very cool profile, by the way.
It is, yeah.
Now, so you are currently studying at ISBR. What do you think? Like, were you expecting these kind of cool profiles to come on the campus?
So the trick is that it's not that these profiles don't come to the campus.
Okay.
The soft spot, I would say, lies in making the most of the opportunity that the college provides you with. So you cannot entirely depend on the college. There's of course there's a certain level of talent and skills that you will have to put forward. You will always have to be proactive
True that.
while you're studying. Just getting marks is not enough. You have to make yourself known, and that is something that of course helps.
Okay. I would love to know a little bit of your background. What you've done. Where you're from. And why you chose ISBR, and also if you had any other B schools, that you've converted, but you still chose ISBR over and above those B schools.
Yeah. So I have had very decent academic background growing up. So in 10th, I had 9.8 CGPA.
Wow.
And in 12th, I chose commerce, and I had 87.4% as
Decent.
my result. And then I went ahead with going with BCom. So I knew for a fact that I wanted to go in commerce stream, but not something to do with accounting and finance. I had read somewhere that creativity is intelligence, having fun, and that is what marketing is to me. So I always knew that whenever I go, I will choose marketing whatever B school I go to. So I wouldn't say I had offers. I mean, I had interview calls from other colleges, but I was pretty sure about ISBR once.
Why that sure thing came to your mind?
So I had my goals in mind. I wanted ROI was the first thing that I was looking at, and during when I joined ISBR, the tuition fees were 9 lakh, and I knew for a fact that I would be able to convert it and
Makes sense.
yeah, I will be able to get the returns within
Very
a year
well.
itself.
So tell me what makes ISBR good for marketing? Because there are a lot of students of mine, they're also gunning for marketing. So if you can tell us that why ISBR can be a very good option for those who are gunning for marketing.
So a huge chunk of marketing, I would say, is lies in networking, building connections. That is what it is all about. That's where it starts. So it's a very pivotal point. And I would say ISBR is really good at that. The corporate connections that ISBR has is huge. I mean, the network is huge. And then it depends on the student to make the most of it. So, and I knew that I would be able to make something out of it. So we've been to CII, Confederation of Indian Industry. So ISBR gives you that platform to network with people, network with important people, I would say, in the industry. So yeah, that was also a reason. And it is kind of there are really huge companies. Location matters a lot. So first of all, it's Bangalore, and within that, it's an electronic city where there's Infosys, Wipro, HP. So
मतलब यहाँ से अगर आप बाहर निकलोगे ना कैंपस से और पत्थर मारोगे यहाँ से एक आईटी कंपनी को लगेगा पक्का.
yeah, for sure.
मतलब you just take a walk यहाँ पे, you've got Wipro, you've got Infosys, you've got Genpact, and it's just a net, man. मतलब
Yeah.
बहुत सारी कंपनीज यहाँ पे. So load ही नहीं है, मतलब you'll feel like you take a walk, you'll feel कि भाई इधर तो अपना हो ही जाएगा, कोई load नहीं है, right? You're a fresher, no?
Yeah.
You tell me why, as a fresher, you chose MBA, because there are a lot of freshers like you, and you are academically really good, to be very honest, right? So did you not think about कि यार मैं थोड़ा work ex ले लेती हूँ, 1 साल 2 साल, because there are students here with 4 or 3 years of work ex. So I want you to kind of guide freshers out here that why you should be doing MBA right after your graduation, whatever.
So the primary reason for me was to not waste, I would not say waste, but give away a few more years, and I think at this point in time, freshers as well as WorkX, I think companies are looking more at what value you bring to the company, what skill set you have. Of course, WorkX is something that they look at, but it's not as important as we think it is.
True that.
So yeah,
True that.
why go for I mean, for me it was just like I want to start working as soon as possible. I was really driven, and I wanted to be that corporate boss lady, whatever you want. So I wanted to start early. My primary reason was that start working early.
Right.
But
Start making money early.
Start making money early, but with a good what do we say,
Placement.
backup of degrees and everything.
ओके सो इसमें ना दो चीजें होती है ना, एक मिथ होता है कि वर्केक्स वालों को ही अच्छी प्रोफाइल मिलती है, ऐसा नहीं होता मेरे ख्याल से.
Yeah,
एज अ
that's
फ्रेशर इफ यू हैव पोटेंशियल यू गेट गुड प्रोफाइल्स.
Absolutely.
देयर आर सर्टेन प्रोफाइल्स दे आर प्रो फ्रेशर्स, मतलब वो फ्रेशर्स को ही मिलेंगे.
Yes.
देयर आर सर्टेन प्रोफाइल्स दे आर प्रो वर्केक्स गाइस, वो वर्केक्स को वालों को ही मिलेंगे. So ultimately, if you have talent, then I think you can conquer a lot of stuff.
Yeah, I would like to add
Yeah,
to your
please.
point actually. So as you said, a lot of it depends on the companies as well. A lot of them are looking for somebody that they can train from scratch and make them their employees like that, because some companies are wary of the fact that what if they don't fit into the culture and all of that. So when you're talking about a fresher, they know that they can mold them into their culture. So that is something freshers kind of weigh a little more.
I think freshers got more adaptability.
Exactly,
है ना,
yeah.
वो वर्केक्स वालों को एक सेंस होता है कि नहीं काम इसी तरीके से होना चाहिए, बट फ्रेशर्स आर रेडी टू मोल्ड बाय देम, बट दैट्स नॉट डिसएडवांटेज, दैट्स एन एडवांटेज टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट.
Yeah.
Cool है यार. Any last closing thoughts or any sort of tips or tricks for people who are now gunning for ISBR? Anything that you want to tell them, like these are the 2 points that you should be looking out for ISBR?
So one thing I would say about ISBR is that it is extremely student driven. So
Nice.
we have different departments. We serve as different ambassadors. Like I, for example, was in the academic committee. There's our placement committee. So there are a lot of things where you can. ISBR will provide you with a lot of opportunities where you will be able to prove your mettle. So
Nice.
I would say grab that opportunity.
Yeah, but how about this, Ipshita? Like if you are anyway making it to ISBR, right, or any B school for that matter,
Yeah.
how much value you get? I mean, rather I will put it this way, like how much is it important to work hard, or like you get into the B school and sit nicely and the placement ho jayega?
That I think that is imperative, no matter which college you go to, no matter which B school, no matter which university. I think hard work is imperative. That is not an option. You will
True
have
that.
to do it.
True that. Cool. Thank you so very much, Ipshita,
Thank you.
for giving some time. And guys, I hope you like the podcast. Do hit the like and do share this with your friends.